Every creator dreams of capturing moments that feel alive, every frame crisp, every sound clear, every connection effortless. This camera isn't just a tool, it's your creative partner, ready to turn vision into reality. Designed for storytellers who crave perfection, it transforms ordinary footage into unforgettable experiences. Feel the thrill of professional quality videos that reflect your passion and personality, because your story deserves to be seen and heard with absolute brilliance. Number 1. FLATIC cameras for photography. 6K 64MP digital camera. Creativity begins the moment inspiration meets the perfect companion. The FLATIC digital camera invites you to capture life with a sense of depth, emotion, and color that feels truly alive. Every shot becomes a memory that stays vivid, and every video tells a story worth sharing. Designed for those who dream bigger, this camera turns each frame into a masterpiece that mirrors your passion. Whether exploring city streets or recording your next great idea, it empowers your vision with precision and warmth. Its thoughtful design allows every movement, smile, and spark of creativity to shine effortlessly. From intimate portraits to wide landscapes, the clarity feels cinematic, the connection seamless. It redefines what it means to create, helping you express your style with confidence. Ideal for aspiring vloggers, storytellers, and dreamers, it transforms everyday moments into powerful visuals that move hearts. With the FLATIC 6K 64MP digital camera, every image becomes more than a picture, it becomes a reflection of who you are. Number 2. FLATIC digital camera with Wi-Fi. 5K 64MP cameras. Every creator dreams of capturing moments that feel real, vivid, and full of life. The FLATIC digital camera brings that dream closer, turning each frame into a beautiful reflection of emotion and story. It allows your creativity to flow naturally, helping you express every idea with stunning clarity. Whether recording your world for YouTube or exploring photography, it makes every detail shine with depth and warmth. The design feels natural in hand, inspiring confidence in every shot you take. Each click becomes a memory that carries feeling and purpose, transforming ordinary scenes into cinematic expressions. It gives life to your imagination, making your stories more powerful and engaging. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, and dreamers, it transforms your creative energy into breathtaking visuals that connect deeply with viewers. With the FLATIC 5K 64MP digital camera, your vision becomes art, your passion becomes presence, and your story becomes unforgettable, because every picture you take carries a part of your heart within it. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2-Lens Kit. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 digital single-lens reflex camera captures moments that speak straight to the heart. It turns every memory into something lasting, painting emotions through light and color that feel incredibly real. Whether you are beginning your creative journey or refining your storytelling, this camera gives you the power to bring your imagination to life. Each photograph feels alive, filled with depth and detail that draws people closer to your vision. Its thoughtful build encourages creativity with comfort, helping you focus on what truly matters, the emotion behind every image. Perfect for those who see beauty in everyday scenes, it allows you to transform ordinary moments into visual poetry. From portraits that reveal personality to landscapes that breathe serenity, every capture feels meaningful. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 inspires confidence and passion in every click, turning your artistic dreams into powerful expressions that move others. It is not just a camera, it is the beginning of your creative legacy. Number 4. 5K digital camera for photography. Wi-Fi. Every picture tells a story, but only a true camera can make that story unforgettable. The 5K digital camera for photography brings emotion to every frame, transforming ordinary scenes into timeless works of art. Its powerful clarity captures the smallest expressions, turning moments into memories that feel alive. Whether exploring the world or creating for YouTube, it gives every shot a sense of depth and connection that speaks to your audience. Designed to awaken creativity, it encourages you to express yourself with confidence and passion. The smooth touch experience and effortless focus let you stay present in the moment, while the refined build feels natural in hand. Ideal for storytellers who dream beyond boundaries, it turns visions into visuals that move hearts. Each capture feels rich, real, and deeply personal, echoing the emotion behind the lens. With the 5K digital camera for photography, creativity becomes freedom, and every image becomes a reflection of your soul. Number 5. FLATIC cameras for photography. 6K 64MP digital camera. The FLATIC 6K 64MP digital camera awakens the artist within, turning everyday moments into visual poetry that stirs emotion and imagination. Each capture feels alive, filled with color, depth, and feeling that reflect the beauty of real life. Whether recording your story for YouTube or capturing the magic of travel, it delivers an experience that feels deeply personal. Every frame becomes a reflection of your passion, transforming creativity into something tangible and lasting. Designed with the modern creator in mind, it brings balance between artistry and simplicity, letting you focus on what truly matters. The emotion behind every shot, from quiet moments to energetic adventures, it gives every detail a soul of its own. Perfect for dreamers and storytellers, this camera inspires confidence and connects you to your vision with warmth and purpose. With the FLATIC 6K 64MP digital camera, every memory becomes more than an image. It becomes a story you can feel forever.